Hi everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to create an ALV with 3 tables using ForAllEntries. In this video I'll take 2 standard tables which are VBAP and VBAK and one custom Z table which I created, that is ZDB, and this custom Z table. I'll show you what the table is. In this program, I'll take the data from VBAK and VBAP into one internal table. I'll get the data into one internal table, and then I'll join Z table to this internal table. Okay. As we know, we are creating an ALV. For creating an ALV, we need to follow 4 steps, that are data declaration, data fetching, through select query, assigning field catalog, and finally calling the reuse ALV grid display by displaying the function module. Okay, now we'll go to the ABAP editor. I already have this program created. Now here in this, we'll begin with the declaration part. Okay, tables. The tables we are using here is VBAK, VBAP, and my Z table, that is ZDB. It's my Z table name. Okay, VBAK is sales document table. Okay, here we are having these fields like VBLN, sales document, yeah, that document on which, and so on, all the records will be here, fields. And VBAP is sales document item data. VBAK is header data and VBAP is item data. Okay, and let us go to the my Z table. This table is created by me. See, it contains sales document, personal sales document, item, and so on. Okay, I'm going to join these 3 tables here. Since we are using an ALV, we need to declare type pools also. That is list for field catalog. In data declaration part, I'll take the required fields from VBAP and VBAK in one structure, and required fields from Z table in another structure. I'll show you which fields I'll be taking. Okay, types. So, types begin of ty final. In this structure, I'll take fields from VBAP and VBAK, VBLN, type VBLN underscore VA. We are declaring here field name and data element name. Okay, AUART. ETW net quantity. All these fields are from VBAK. Now I'll join in this structure I'll take fields from VBAP. Okay, I have VBLN field in both VBAK and VBAP, but I can take it as only one. Okay, I can't take it multiple times. I'm ending this structure. Okay, now we need to declare an internal table for this internal table and work area for this structure. Data IT final will be our internal table for structure ty final. Type standard table of ty final, and work area is wa final. Type ty underscore final, that is our structure. Now declare the structure for Z table. Just editing, copying, pasting. I have this field Matner Posner NR, it is NR Matner works. This table here, and another two fields created by type uni site data end of ty set dp underscore table. Okay, what's it coming in blue? Yeah, it's in blue. data, internal table for ZT table, C table, type, standard table of Z, structure ZTB, work area, okay, and declare one internal table and field catalog, work area for the field catalog. Data, IT, FC, field catalog type, /t underscore field cat underscore ALV, and work area, /underscore field cat underscore ALV. Okay, yeah, we can create a selection screen with some parameters. Okay, selection screen declaration. Okay, yeah, I'll go with select options. S underscore VBELN for VBAK hyphen VBELN. Okay, this is document type. S underscore VBLN is my variable, and I'm taking this from VBAK table VBLN field. Okay, it will come as a range in the selection screen. Now we'll start the program coding. Start of selection. The next part is we need to fetch the data into the internal table using the select query. Okay, I'm writing the select query here. First, with these two tables, VBAK and VBAP in one internal table, and I'm attaching it with this internal table to this Z table through for all entries here. Okay, yeah, query select VBAP and tilde VBLN VBAP underscore POSNR VBAP METNR VBAP ARK TX VBAP tilde. Here tilde is we are assigning this. This is the alias name. We can assign alias name, but I'm here directly taking the table name. Works plant. Okay, quantity KWMENG. Sorry, it's P. AURT is from VBAK table. Okay, AUDAT. Okay, KUNNR, GBSTK. So we took all the required fields to be displayed in the output, and we are taking from, first is VBAP, inner join, VBAK on, VBAP. Our primary key is VBLN. VBLN is equals to VBAK tilde VBLN into corresponding fields of table. Our internal table is in IT final. Okay, I'm not giving any where conditions. We can add the where condition, like where VBLN is equals to s underscore VBLN, but I didn't make here this field as obligatory. By giving where condition, whatever the fields you enter, value enter, document type you enter here will be displayed in the output. You can do that. We have now I have joined VBAP and VBAK into this IT final table. Next I need to add Z table to IT final. Here I'll be using ForAllEntries. ForAllEntries is the best alternative for select with join in SAP ABAP. It reduces the database load. That is the advantages of it. Okay. If IT final is initial, so if IT final is initial, not initial, sorry. If IT final is initial, then it will not enter this. By this, it is to improve the performance. If it is initial, it will not enter here, and then it will terminate. Otherwise, if it is initial, then it will go through. It will reduce. Basically, it will reduce the time. But it is a type of validation here. That's it. Select VBLN. Pause now. Mat now. Works. ZSTCK. QTY. From our Z table, that is ZDB underscore table into IT and internal table. Our internal table is ZIT Z table. Okay. For all entries in IT final, okay, where VBELN is equals to, for all entries we definitely needs to enter the where condition. IT final hyphen VBLN. Okay, and if after using the for all entries, we need to read the table with the primary key to get the data. To read, we need to read. There may be several entries, so we need to loop the internal table and read the each entry. Okay, loop at IT final into WA final. Okay, Better close the end loop here first and then read table IT_z table into WA_z table with key. What is our key? Primary key VBLN. Okay, is equals to WA_final hyphen VBLN. There is another key field, primary key field, that is Posner is equals to WA final Posner. Okay, what are the fields in Z table? If this is another validation, size sub RC is equals to 0. That means if the table has any values, size sub RC will be 0. The table doesn't read any values, the size sub RC will be 4. WA final hyphen VBLN is equals to work area of C table hyphen no need to read VBLN and Posner since we already read here, only this set stock quantity. Okay, now we are modifying internal table from work area. Since these values we are appending to the work area final, and then with this final we are modifying the internal table IT final. Okay, clear work area and loop. Okay, now we got all the data into this internal table IT final. Z table values are also got into this ID final, and the next step is to assign the field catalog. We need to declare a variable. Yeah, I'm declaring a variable with type integer, number, and assigning a value, initial value as 0. Okay, I declared this num value because to assign the dynamic column position. Okay, the field catalog. What is our work area for the field catalog? WFC FC hyphen. For the field catalog we are taking field name, tab name, column position, tab name represents internal table, and another for call position, I'm passing num value here. Okay, I need to increment here first. Num is equals to num plus 1. Its initial value is 0 and we are adding 1, then it will be 1 here. I'll tell you how this works, why we are using this. And another line for selection text field. Selection text sales order number. Okay, now we need to append work area to internal area, t_fc. Okay, and then clear work area. Yeah, I'm taking this and copying for all the fields. Okay, I'll delete them later. Here, post now. Always the field name must be in caps, else you'll be getting a dump. Sales order item. And the next field is AUART. And this is sales document type. AUTAT. Date. The next thing is net quantity. WR net value. The next value is Kunar, sold to party. Matno material number. You can take any fields that you like. ARKTX, that is material description. And works, that is plants, plant. WMNG. Quantity. And finally, stock field. QTY. stock quantity. Yeah, see, if I directly declare a number here in the sequence order 1 2 3 4, if I remove this field, this material description, then I need to change all the declaration here. So if I declare a dynamic number, there won't be a necessary to change all the number here. Okay, that's the reason I took this call position number dynamically. Okay, now it's time to call the function module, that is reuse ALV grid display. And pass IT field cat. Where is that? IT field cat. Uncomment this. Our IT field cat is IT underscore FC. And internal table IT final, all the data is in IT final, and that's it. Now save, check if there are any errors. Okay, there are some errors. Okay, it is AR spelled differently. F2. Okay, I missed the table here. Table. That is the reason it's not showing. F2 is not valid. Exporting needs to be uncommented. Yes. Check it, and this is just a warning. Okay, we can just ignore it. Apart from this, there are no errors, right? Yes. F3 and then activate it. Yes, now execute. Yeah, since this field is not mandatory, I can directly execute it. You can see all the data here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.